If you're considering using Ally for your personal finance management, there are a few key things you need to know before you make your decision. Ally offers an impressive range of features, but it's important to understand how it stacks up against competitors and whether it's the right fit for your needs. Let's dive into the 12 things you need to know about Ally before making your choice. First, Ally is a mobile app designed to help you manage your finances, from banking to investment and budgeting tools. It stands out with its user-friendly interface, but it's not without competition. Apps like Mint and Personal Capital offer similar features, so you should weigh your options carefully. Next thing you should know is Ally's account types. They offer checking, savings, and investment accounts, all of which are accessible through the app. This gives you a broad set of tools for managing your money, but some competitors like Chime or SoFi offer more specific services, such as credit building tools or unique perks for high-yield accounts. The third thing is Ally's standout feature, their no-fee structure. Most banks charge monthly fees for checking accounts, but Ally's are fee-free, which is a huge plus. You'll also get access to over 43,000 ATMs nationwide, which makes it a good choice if you're looking to avoid extra charges. The fourth thing to note is their investment platform. Ally offers commission-free trading, which makes it a competitive choice if you're looking to start investing without paying high fees. However, if you're looking for in-depth advisory services, apps like Betterment might be a better option for more guided investing. Next, Ally's customer service is another strength. They offer 24/7 support, but some customers have reported long wait times during peak hours. So, while you can always get help, it might take a little longer compared to other services that have more dedicated staff. The sixth thing is Ally's mobile app performance. It's well designed, smooth, and easy to navigate, but some competitors like Capital One have more comprehensive features for managing every aspect of your financial life. If you want a broader set of services built into one app, you might find Capital One more suitable. Next, Ally also offers an integrated budgeting tool that helps you track your spending. This is useful if you're trying to stay on top of your finances, but some apps like YNAB, you need a budget, have more advanced budgeting capabilities if that's a higher priority for you. The eighth thing to mention is their high-yield savings accounts. While Ally offers competitive rates, they don't always have the highest rates available. Apps like Marcus by Goldman Sachs and Discover Bank can offer slightly better returns, so if maximizing your savings is a top concern, those might be better alternatives. The ninth point is their security features. Ally uses encryption and multi-factor authentication to protect your account, which is standard for a mobile finance app. However, some people prefer the added layer of security that comes with biometric authentication, which is offered by apps like Revolut. Now, the 10th thing you should know is that Ally has a solid reputation in the financial industry. They've been around for over a decade, and their online presence is backed by a large number of satisfied customers. While not every review is glowing, they've earned a lot of trust compared to newer apps like Vero or Cash App. The 11th thing to consider is the accessibility of the app. Ally doesn't have physical branches, which might be a downside if you prefer face-to-face service. However, many users find that the convenience of online banking and ATMs makes up for this lack of in-person support. Lastly, Ally offers a competitive suite of financial products, but if you're looking for an all-in-one solution with additional features like credit monitoring or cryptocurrency support, you may want to check out other apps like SoFi or Revolut. So, while Ally is a great option for mobile finance management, if you're looking for an app that offers a broader range of services or better rates, check out our recommended solution that you can try for free.